So over here you can see that I have this particular composition right here, and then in this composition you can see that there's this shadow over here coming out from the light, and the shadow that you see is black in color. And if you want to go around and change up the shadow color, then you can easily do that too. So to do that, you need to go around and expand out this particular light property right here, just like this. And then you need to go around over here and see that shadow color is an option. You can simply go around and select out a shadow color as you like right here, press OK, and that is the shadow color that you get. So apart from that, what you can also do is you can go around over here onto the color picker tool and then go around and choose any color right here on your screen, and that is how it takes a sample. You can go around and move the red, green, and blue values right here as well. Click and drag it to change around the shadows as you like. So this is the light that you have right here. Let me just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and move this out, you can see that I got another shadow over there as well. Let me just go around and change around the shadow opacity right here, and let's just go around over here and change around the shadow opacity over here, just like this as well. And then you can see that that is how you can work around with this. Let's just go around and change around the light opacity right here. And now you can go around and choose any other shadow color right here, just like this, and press OK. And now you got two shadows of different colors, just like this as well, as you can see. So let's just go around, change around the opacity of the shadow right here, and that is what you have. So that is how you can work around and change around the shadow color inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe